so sad?
My sister died.
Oh, how?
She was murdered.
Oh, so sad. I'll help you find out who murdered Alexandra.
I don't know my sister's name.
You must have said it.
Do you really think you can avenge my sister's death?
Yeah, sure I can. Just come with me. Sit down. This book contains everything to your sister's death and where to find her, and even how to avenge her. Take as long as you want. Are you tired of wasting your money on useless knives that just don't work? Do you want to cut to the chase like a knife cutting through butter? If so, the new sharp, sleek and strong Knifety knife is perfect for you. Buy the premium Knifety knife today for just £852. Perfection. Spread the news like a knife spreading this hour. Go to definitelynotaccult.com to get your 1p discount. Oh God.